Hello and welcome to this video. Today we want to write our first C program. And what we want to do is we want to print something to the console. We want to print to the console, this is our first program. So let's write the main function. So the main function is the core of every C program. You also always have to make use of the main function. Here we want to use the printf function, printf, and inside the codes we want to write this is our first program. So what if I run this program now? Let's see. So the code gets executed, we get the line, this is our first program, but we have some errors here, some warnings. Which is implicit declaration of function printf. We have also a note here, include the stdio.h or provide the declaration of printf. So what does it mean? So right now our code editor doesn't really know where this printf function comes from. So we have to include a library called stdio.h in order to use the printf function. So let's type include, hashtag include stdio.h. And if I save this now and run it again, we'll get no warnings and the code gets executed. This is our first program. And this is how you write your first program in a C programming language. I hope you enjoyed.